Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at SocialBu, which you can find at socialbu.com. It's an all-in-one social media management platform. It allows you to publish posts to multiple platforms, to automate, to schedule, and not only that, to reply to posts, to reply to individuals, and to analyze data and more. So let's take a look together. You can see here I'm logged into the SocialBu platform. The main option is New Post, top right. This is where we would create a new post. Before we do that, I want to run through some of the other options that we have here. So Publish, this is where you would handle scheduled posts, drafts, calendar, queue. You can also do a bulk import of posts, and you can see a history of posts you've made. You can generate posts using AI, and you can do that either through one of these buttons here or through the New Post button. You can also curate content based on materials that you've already created. One neat feature is responding to people who've tagged you or replied to your posts, and the ability to analyze and automate. And you can see a quick little automation I created here to reply automatically. So when someone on Twitter follows me, I'm automatically going to send them a message that says, "Hey, thanks first name for following me. I really appreciate it." So that's just another way to potentially build engagement. So let's go ahead and look at new posts together. So I wrote this up a little bit earlier. You can see this first line. I'm excited about Microsoft's announcement of new AI head Mustafa Suleyman. And then I hit generate additional content. Right, so we'll do it again, autocomplete using AI. And this automatically gave me a little bit of expansion on that post. You can see here I have my LinkedIn connected, but I could also publish this to not just LinkedIn, but also to Twitter, to TikTok, to Instagram, or other platforms. And potentially you may want to post slightly different content to different platforms. So that's an option. All right, so you can see here I've got my three set up here. They're suggesting I attach some media, which is a great idea. All right, so upload from my device or design something using Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and attach a picture of Mustafa Suleyman, and I'm going to schedule my post. So this post is now going to be published at the scheduled time, and the new post option is going to stay open so I can continue to schedule or build posts. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it, and have a great rest of your day. Take care now.